Hello, in front of me I've got Realme 9 and Samsung Smart TV. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning, make sure that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Enter YouTube and enter video you would like to cast. Tap this button on the top of the screen and select your TV. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.